Hi everybody. Come here.
No.
I feel so awkward talking in front of people.
Okay, no, I'm not coming.
That's my mom. Mom, you have to be in the video anyway.
How? Why?
Because you're rating my outfits. This is my mom. No, stop. I don't like being talked anyway. I feel so awkward. No, stand up. I'll shrink. Okay. This is my mom, Tony, and she's gonna be rating my outfits from right here. So I have a quick intro. I have a bunch of like summer outfits that are just that I picked out. There's like 6 or 7. I didn't want to have too many that I'm gonna be trying on, and she's gonna be rating them. Tony, you have to be in the video. Here, I'll set you up.
But wait a minute, what if I don't like any of them?
That's why you're rating.
Wait.
She's gonna be standing, actually no, just bear with me, Tony. Okay, you're gonna be standing right here, and then I'm gonna walk in and go like this, okay?
Okay.
First outfit. Okay, her eyes are closed. This is what you guys get to see first. Don't open them, mommy. Okay, open. Facial expressions, tone.
Oh, you look good. No.
You have to stand here.
Okay, but where are we wearing this?
Look at the camera. You have to look at the camera while I'm doing this.
Where? Yeah, it looks cute. Where are we wearing that?
Really?
I mean, yeah, it's not bad. Maybe going shopping or something, or
I was gonna say out to dinner or something, or like,
I don't know about out to dinner.
okay, 1 to 10, rate.
Three.
You are so confusing. Oh, it's so cute, I love it. 3.
Well, okay. It's just a cute daytime outfit. It's nothing special. I don't think I'm, it doesn't rock my world. No, but you look cute. Okay. Fine.
Okay, don't open them. This is the outfit, guys.
Can I open them?
Open. Eyebrow scratch.
Where are you going in that?
I don't know.
I don't know. Those pants are stupid. What is this? This looks like a tail. Whose shorts are those?
I don't know, honestly. I found them in my closet. I don't think they're mine. I don't have good. These are like nice black shorts, but I don't really.
No, you need to throw those away.
I'm not throwing them away. They're so cute.
No, they're actually not.
No, I'm not throwing them away. This is such a good find.
Where are you wearing the top? It looks cute on you, but I would like it with white shorts. Can we switch up? Or white pants?
I don't think I own white shorts or white pants. Do I?
White.
1 to 10.
Oh, jeez. 2, because I hate the shorts.
Jeez, freaking Louise, Mom.
Sorry, I'm critical.
All right, this one.
Where are you getting these clothes? I'm trying to understand the youthful beachy wear thing. I love the shorts. The top looks like
a bra?
Yes, a bad one at that. No. I mean, you could wear that top underneath a tank or a jacket, a jean jacket or something like that.
Well, yeah, I'd wear a jean jacket in this, right?
Yeah, put your, that jean jacket on with that and see how it looks.
Okay, may I have a 1 to 10 rating, ma'am?
I'm gonna give you a 4 because I love the shorts. Let me take your picture.
We got a 4, baby, we working up. Wait. Wait, it's crooked. Wait, mommy, just stay closed.
Okay.
Okay, this is the fit.
No, that I love. That I love.
Yeah.
Okay,
Come.
it looks really good.
Come closer.
It's really nice for going out to dinner. You can wear a couple different sandals that you have. Look, Nice, very nice. I love the shorts. Let me fix the belt. Yeah.
I have her approval.
Now you're my daughter.
Oh, that hurt a little bit.
Yeah.
Hey, what do you rate it?
Oh, rating. I'm gonna give you a 7 on this one.
Ooh. Love you, mama. Okay, we got 7.
Oh.
Picture.
I don't know. Am I
Wait,
gonna
don't do
like
it.
this, or-
Don't. Keep them closed.
Okay, fine.
Open.
I'm scared now. Wait, those are your brother's clothes. What are you? That's kind of scary. And is that my new belt?
I think so.
Okay, Aunt Marla.
Mommy, you gotta keep standing up. Come on.
Now I'm gonna tell you.
Do I look like your mister?
Okay, but I'm gonna tell you, you actually look kind of cool in that, but like.
I need a rating, Mom.
Oh, a rating? Oh, like as a joke rating, or as you really want me to rate it? Like you were gonna actually wear that out in public? Or this is a joke?
I mean, my self-esteem just dropped. I thought I looked pretty sexy in this outfit.
No, not sexy. You
Wait.
look.
Okay, guys, wait, no, look. This is it. Get these like tight bike shorts and this top.
Can I open my eyes yet?
You gotta come on the camera. Open. Make sure you stare at the camera.
Where are you going?
Mom, these are all a summer night out.
No, just no. I'm sorry, I mean, are we putting a jacket on or something?
Well, it's like 95 degrees.
I guess it's cute. Okay. Well, here's what let me just critique it, okay?
Critiquing.
I don't understand wearing bike shorts out at night, but I know that's the style right now and they're in all the magazines. The top's cute. I think that was mine. Is that mine? Used to be mine. Is mine. Whatever. If you're gonna do this type of outfit, do it when you're young.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a 5.
A 5.
I'm gonna give you a 5.
It's your world. I'm just living in it.
True that.
Biatches, so it's. Oh, sorry.
Ow. Okay, what?
Okay.
Yeah. This isn't a going out outfit. I'm sorry. Go change. I can't look at that. No. That is gym shorts. Is not a going
These
out.
aren't gym shorts. They're champion shorts.
Those are gym
In a
shorts.
bodysuit. Guys, champion gray shorts and a black bodysuit. I'm digging.
In the afternoon to go shopping, maybe.
We'll go shopping in it then.
Okay, for the afternoon to go shopping in.
So what's your rating for a dinner night out?
For a dinner night out? A 1. I'm not going to dinner with you in that. Sorry.
What am I gonna do? Close?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This. And then.
Cute. Cute, but Gabby, where's that little cute white sundress with the shorts underneath? Try that on. That's a nice outfit. I'm just getting a little bored with the jean shorts.
But it's like what I wear, like out that night.
Okay, well, pretend you're going out to dinner with your family and you want to be a little.
Okay, I'll grab
Less
that next.
casual.
Wait. Okay, so can you critique me?
Yeah, for a night out with your friends. 4.
Yeah. I don't get what's wrong with this.
Nothing's wrong with it, but it's not a 10. Not out of 10.
I think she's basically saying I'm not a 10.